Good morning. This is Champon. For today's lesson, we are going to look at the parts of the computer mouse. But since we don't know what a computer is, or some of you don't know what a computer is, for today's lesson, we'll base on or look at what a computer is. So the main topic for today is about the computer. We'll talk about the computer. We'll look at what a computer is and some examples of computers or devices that are referred to as computers. So at the end of this lesson, you should be able to be familiar with computers. You should be able to identify that this device is a computer or works like a computer. When you talk of a computer is a machine. A computer is a machine or an electronic device. We are using electronic because it uses electricity. So a computer is a machine or an electronic device that accepts data, processes the data, stores the data, and gives out information. So this is how a computer works. A computer accepts a data from a user, works on the data by processing it, stores the data, and gives out information. Now let's look at this. Can we mention any device that accepts data from a user, processes the data, and stores the data, and also gives out information? We have main devices that works this way, and all these devices are classified as computers. So any device that accepts data from a user or a person, processes the data or works on the data, stores or keeps the data, and gives out information is classified as a computer. So computers help human beings, that's the users of the computer, in doing their work. So the computer helps human beings in doing their work. The computer can be used in typing of letters. It can be used in watching of movies. It can be used in playing of games. So that those are some of the functions or the use of computers. It has many uses. It's being used in hospitals by doctors. When you go to pharmacies, they use computers over there. So we have computers being used at many places. The computer is an important electronic device that's used in these days. So let's have a look at some of the devices that we refer to as computers or classified as computers. Can we mention some of them? Okay, let's continue. So we have some examples of computers over here. The first one is the desktop computers. Now, I hope some of you are familiar with desktop computers. In the second one, we have laptops. Laptops too are also computers. We have mobile phone or mobile phones. The mobile phone or smartphone is also a computer. The next one is tablet or the tablet PC is also an example of a computer. The next one we have iPhones and iPads. The iPhones and iPads are also examples of computers. And we have many devices that are examples of computers. But these are just few examples of those devices classified as computers. So we'll have a look at how these devices are. So first, we'll look at what a desktop computer is, the image of a desktop computer. So this is how a desktop computer looks like. So we have these parts coming together to form the desktop computer system. We can see that a desktop computer system has many different parts. I hope some of you know the names of these components of the computer system. We have this one to be the system unit. The system unit. Then we have this one as monitor. Then we have the one lying on the ground as keyboard. Keyboard. It contains keys, so the name is keyboard. Then we have this small one as the mouse, or the computer mouse. So this is what we'll be talking about in our next lesson. We'll be talking more about the computer mouse. Now let's look at the next device that is classified as a computer. So we have this 9 device too. This is what we call a laptop. It's the same as the one we saw. It works in the same way. Whatever the desktop computer do, the laptop can also do the same thing. And next one, we have mobile phone or smartphone. Now I hope some of you have mobile phones in your house. So the mobile phone, as we can see over here, is also an example of a computer. It accepts data, processes the data, stores data, and gives out information on its screen. Whenever you type in something on the smartphone or mobile phone, it will accept that data. It will work on it, store some in its memory, and gives you the information on its screen. So a smartphone is also an example of a computer. And next one, we have the tablet PC. So this is how a tablet looks like, and it's having an external keyboard connected to it. So it works the same way as the desktop computers and laptop computers. And next one is the iPad. So the iPad 2 is an example of a computer. We'll end our lesson here, but before you leave, you should do this exercise and submit on your website. So you write the answers for this assignment and you put it back on your website. The first question is, what is a computer? So you write the definition for computer. And the next one, you write down 3 examples of computers. So as we stated earlier on, we give some examples of computers. We just write 3 of them, their names. Then the third one, you draw the desktop computer. So you draw the desktop computer with your pencil nicely. We'll end our lesson here and continue next week. Bye.